Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'll show you how to create a ticket in Zoho Desk. Zoho Desk offers several ways to create tickets depending on how your support team works. Let's go through the main methods. The quickest option is using the Quick Add feature. From your Zoho Desk dashboard, click the plus icon in the top right corner. This opens the ticket form where you can enter the customer's contact details, subject, and issue description. Select the department, set the priority, assign the ticket if needed, and click Submit. Another method is creating a ticket from the Customers module. Go to Customers and select Accounts. Open the relevant customer account and switch to the Tickets tab. Click the plus icon to create a new ticket linked directly to that customer. You can also create tickets from the Instant Messaging module. Navigate to IM, hover over a customer conversation, and click the Create Ticket icon. Choose the department and confirm the contact and account details. This is helpful for converting live chats into tickets. Customers themselves can create tickets through the Help Center. They simply go to Help Center, click Submit a Ticket, fill in the details, and submit. When creating a ticket, include key information such as contact details, a clear subject, and a detailed description. Set ticket status, priority, SLA, and assignee, and attach screenshots or files to provide context. You can also use templates, automation rules, and CRM integration to manage tickets efficiently. And that's how you create a ticket in Zoho Desk. Thanks for watching, and stay tuned for more helpful Zoho tutorials.